How to make a collage on Instagram story iPhone. So go open your Instagram application, click on this plus on your story, or swipe your screen to the right to get into this page. Now snap a new photo or video that will be the background of your collage. You can also upload a photo for this, or if you want a solid color, just tap on this A icon or the create here. Tap on the three dots on the top right corner and select draw. Choose a color here on the options below, or you can also choose the eyedropper. Then hold the middle of the story to fill it with the color that you selected. Go to the stickers icon and choose the photo. Now select a photo that you want to include in your collage. Just tap on the sticker itself to change its shape. And now just do this again and again until you finish your collage. After that, just hit on upload. And that is how to make a collage on Instagram story iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.